Hello everyone, welcome back to sriaathmayoga. Today we are going to learn 8 yogasanas in SAY method to prevent hair fall and to promote hair growth. First asana is Uttanasana. Stand straight with your legs close to each other. Lift your arms up. Now exhale and bend forward. Keep your arms straight and touch the mat with your palms beside your feet. Now take your chest away from the thighs. Lengthen your torso and keep looking forward. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Stay here for few deep breaths. Once done, lift the spine, hands and head in one line. Drop your hands and relax. Second asana is Adho Mukha Swanasana. Come to table pose. Exhale and raise your knees up. Try to touch the heels on the mat by stretching the calf muscles. Press the shoulders towards knee. Keep your knees and arms straight. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Stay here for few breaths. Once done, drop your knees on the mat and relax. Third asana is Vajrasana. Kneel down and sit on your heels by keeping your spine straight. Heels should be close to each other. Keep your hands in a relaxed position above the thighs. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Stay here for few deep breaths. Vajrasana helps release tension and stress, which is the most common cause of graying and hair loss. Once done, please relax. Fourth asana is Ustrasana. Kneel down and keep your knees slightly apart. Stretch the arms in front of your chest. Now place your right palm on your right heel and left palm on your left heel by bending backward. Drop your head and push your waist forward. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Stay here for few deep breaths. Once done, lift your hands and body and relax. Fifth asana is Sasangasana. Kneel down and bend forward. Your forehead should touch the knees and crown of the head should be gently touching the mat. Try to hold your heel with your palms by keeping your arms straight. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Once done, slowly come up and relax. Sixth asana is Matsyasana. Lie down on the mat. Rest your elbows on the floor and lift your chest up. Drop the crown of the head on the mat by bending your neck backward. Put less amount of weight on your crown to avoid much pressure. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Once done, slowly lift your crown, drop your torso on the mat slowly and relax. Seventh asana is Sarvangasana. Lie down on the mat and lift your legs up to 90 degrees. With the support of your palms, lift the waist up, tilting the leg towards the head. Now try to straighten the lifted portion of the body so that it makes 90-degree angle with the head. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Once done, slowly drop your waist and legs down and relax. Eighth asana is Ardha Sirsasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Bend forward and keep your crown of your head on the mat with your interlocked fingers supporting your crown of the head. Now slowly lift the knees up. Make an inverted V pose. Close your eyes and give gentle attention to your head. Once done, slowly drop your knees down and lift your body up and relax. By doing these asanas, blood circulation to the head increases. Thus, these asanas will stimulate the hair follicles, so hair health improves. These asanas helps prevent hair fall and help regrow hair. thin and dry hair can be turned into a healthy looking, smooth and shiny hair.
Today we have learned 8 yogasanas for hair growth. If you are not comfortable with the asana, just skip it and practice the remaining asanas. Initially, stay in a pose for 5 counts, but increase the count day by day for better results. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.